Today I'm speaking about meditation. I know that most of you are doing meditations, or others are thinking for 50 years to do it. It's a very, very wonderful thing to do meditation. Now, what meditation does, let me start with that. Meditation releases your inner potentials. That's very important statement. Each of you have lots of inner potentials hidden within your heart, within your chalice, within your mind, within your being. You have lots of potentials, lots of beauty. That this beauty and these potentials must eventually release themselves and be shared with others. As you release your potential, something happens that is very beautiful. Your life changes. Your physical, emotional, mental bodies, etheric bodies that have in themselves lots of potentials, those potentials comes out into manifestation and enriches, glorifies your life and the life of those people that are around you. That's very beautiful thing. See, as for example, you have lots of treasures at your home, but you are not using it. Lots of jewelry, gold, money, different things, antiques, and they are in the safe. Now, sometimes, most of the time, you are a safe. All these things are within you, you lock them, and you don't use them. And sometimes the lock cannot be opened for centuries until you come back and unlock yourself. So meditation unlocks you, releases the potentials that are hidden within you. For example, not only metaphysically we are talking really materialistically even. For example, your physical body has many potentials. Scientists and physicians spoke about the brain that we are not using. We are using only 25% of our brain, of our mind. But that's true also for our physical, emotional, mental bodies. There are so many potentials in our physical body that we are not using. What are these potentials? For example, if these potentials are released from your physical body, you will be able to destroy many, many germs and viruses and microbes that are attacking to you. Now, these potentials are sleeping. Also, your physical body can do many, many things that it is not doing now. Because the potentials are there, they are not released. The same thing in your emotional body. Your emotional body has many potentials. Magnetic energies, love, inclusiveness, this kind of beautiful things, but it is not in action because it is sleeping and you are not awakening it. The same thing for your mental body. Your mental body has treasures and treasures, and it is not used. They are not used because you are not releasing them. They are locked within you. No. Now, if you start releasing your physical, emotional, mental potentials, you will be a rich man, spiritually rich, physically rich, emotionally, mentally rich man. And when you are rich, you enjoy your life in completion. For example, one of your wheels of your car works, 3 of them doesn't work. Now, your car is not good car. If 2 works, it's a better car. If 4 wheels work, you are better. You have a better car. You can do better things. Now, this is the same thing. Your etheric body, physical body, emotional body, mental body, if they work together and their potentials are slowly, slowly awakening, then you are a greater man, greater woman, and you can do greater things in your life.